You have 10 seconds for each question. Try to answer before the time expires. Let's begin. She underscored her homework when the phone rang. I underscored to the store yesterday. The cat is sitting underscore the table. I haven't seen her underscore Monday. Could you please pass underscore the salt? He's a great musician, underscore he can also paint beautifully. They underscore going to the party if they their work on time. I'm really tired. I underscore all the day. She plays the piano underscore than I do. The movie was very interesting underscore. The ending was disappointing. I'm not sure if I can underscore to the party tonight. The weather is nice today, underscore we should go for a walk. She underscore her keys on the kitchen counter. I'll call you underscore I reach the airport. She's been studying really hard, underscore she managed to pass the exam. They underscore to the beach if the weather is good. I don't like coffee, underscore I prefer tea. I have never been to Paris, underscore I would love to visit someday. My brother is 2 years underscore than I am. I'm not feeling well, so I think I underscore stay home today.